What's up, Blue Chips? 2 trades today on PCG and AMRN. Let's get to it. We're going to start PCG here, 75. Obviously looking for this to go up towards $10 if it wants to. Kind of felt like it was getting rejected there. That's why we jumped in. Just started with 50. I was going to start with 75, but like I said, this one can kind of be funny sometimes. We might actually look to get our ad in here right away. Should have hit it there when it was over 90. Yep, we're going to hit it there. Bring us up to 84. I'm with 100 shares now. I want to go through 10, we'd be fine with it. We get there on that 93, that's fine. Just being patient here, seeing what else to do here at 10 if it does get there. We only got to 98 so far. It's usually like a magnet once it gets this close. All right, we're gonna just take half there. We didn't get under 70 like I thought we were right off the drop, the initial drop. There it is. But now I feel like I can hold a little bit more here, see if we can get down there towards 50. That was just in case it got rejected back up there at 70. But now we can try to hold this a little bit more because we took our profit there. There we go, 60. So we can get that flush to our order at 57. We're on the, there it is, boom. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. I'm just going to jump in here, see if it wants to go back through 50. This is a pretty good extension. I'll have to see what it does here at 50. Might look to just jump out if it wants to go high a day. It's debating whether it wants to go back up to 50 here or if it wants to continue. That's why you got a spread there. They're like, all right, who wants to budge first? Bid came up. I thought about taking it there. Just give it one more sec. There we go. Ask came down. See if we can get that continuation. JNC being silly again. Oh, whoa, JNCE. Holy crap. On like not that much volume too. All right. See if we can get this drop here. If it gets down to 30 and doesn't fill us, we might just take it a little bit above it. There, we're on the bid. We're still on the bid. We're going to take it. We're not going to fight pennies there, right? There's no reason. Not for 2 cents. See? When it stalled like that, I kind of felt like we weren't going to get it. We were on the bid, didn't get filled. We'll take that trade all day. All right, traders, that was my trades on PCG and AMRN. Real quick, as you guys saw, PCG, we just got a nice extension here from the previous resistance that we had set around 950. So we had the whole dollar there as well. So popped through, pulled it right up off the scanner, got in 970 as we looked like we were going to keep extending here. Looking for it to get up towards 10. It did. Got our ad there. Got out half of our position as it made the nice little flush down here just in case. Thought about adding in for sloppy seconds here, but we didn't. We actually talked ourselves out of stopping out because we had originally put a stop in at 984. It went to 986 before dropping, and we realized, why were we doing that? We've done it in the past a couple times now, and we call sloppy seconds all the time. So for some reason, I was looking to do it again, but I talked myself out of it, and we ended up getting that drop that we were looking for right down towards VWAP. And if we would have been a little bit more patient, we would have got it down towards 950. But overall, very happy with the trade. AMRN, this was, we were changing a poopy diaper upstairs. It was a really nasty one, came out the sides, all the good stuff, had to change his outfit. It was just a mess. Came back down. We could hear it on the scanner the whole time via the wireless headphones. So when we got down, we looked up to see what it was real quick. We saw that it was AMRN, pulled it up, and we probably would have been in on this candle anyway for that 50 pop. However, we didn't, we weren't here for any of this. We kind of pretty much had a right or right out type situation where we jumped in looking for it to break back under 50 with the idea that we would stop out if it went high of day over 64. So we got the breakdown like we were looking for, pretty much bottom tick this thing. Our order was at 32. We were on the bid. We had an order at 30, which is what it got to, but we didn't get filled. So we hit it real quick on the ask at 32. And as you can see, we made the right move. It's kind of doing what we were hoping it continued to do. We wanted to look to get back in this when it had this strong move, but we wanted it to continue up near 23 on the same move, but we didn't get it. Had a nice little pullback, and now it's continuing. It kind of looks like a grinder at this point, so not quite interested, but maybe we will keep an eye on this, because if it makes the move towards 23 all in this move, we could be interested, because we'd be looking for it to extend again away from this previous resistance. So right now it's only 10 cents, really not too much to write home about. So real quick, let's import these trades as well. I actually already saved them. We just got to go ahead and actually import them. Import trade, success. Let's go to our dashboard here. And as we can see, we got our entry price, exit price, the return. We have to go through and put the commissions in there, I believe, because that's not right. I imported everything from Stock Trader yesterday, so that's why it has that. But let's take a look over here at the overview. It's pretty cool. Shows our nice journey in bar graph form. I just actually talked to the owner. He's actually getting ready to add some options. We can get a nice line graph going. But we finally got over this silly hump that we were looking at, 466 and some change, and we're at 485. So today was a good day. We're looking to continue this tomorrow, and I'll catch you then. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for the live stream. Peace.